New Year to you guys, precious Millionaire Logistics. Let me not waste much of your time. So the holiday was very awesome, right? It was quite an experience, though I think I felt sick for some time, yeah. But I'm back on my feet right here. So let's get back to the charts. For the last trade we did, right? The last trade we did, um, the last one on the channel. I think what we sampled here was about 395 pips. However, I left some trades running. Yeah, I think pound USD mostly, left pound USD running. So I made up to, I think, 700 to 800 pips thereabout. That's over the holidays while I wasn't trading, trades were just running. That's what the market does. So to kick off this year, guys, we're going to be shooting four pairs. So we'll be analyzing four pairs, right? Analyzing four pairs. We begin with the Euro USD. First off, I don't really throw much light on the Euro USD, right? Because Euro USD was one of the trades we opened last year, but it's in the past now. But then Euro USD is still finding its feet in our direction. So the sentiment here still remains bullish, right? So until it gets to this point here, right, where you can see the whole setup is still there. So let's not waste much time on Euro USD, guys. So we'll just kick off. We'll go on to the next, right? We'll go on to analyze other pairs. So thank you very much for sticking by. That's all for Euro USD. Our sentimental buyer still remains bullish.